I started writing these songs, like, for example, Blue Indigo is a song that is about the emotion and how we should listen to these emotions to be able to, really learn about our own path in life. And if we don't listen to these emotions, then we'll suppress what's actually in ourselves. I mean, that's just the meaning of this song, Blue Indigo, that I wrote.
I feel your breath in me as if you were breathing for two. I'm falling head over heels in love, breathing with you, a breathless healing. It enters all the wounded parts, dissolves the feeling of a crowded heart. If you're like the wind moving free, I'll be your blown wild dandelion. If we share our thoughts like weightless seeds, our heart.
It's also a love song, so many of my songs are about love, but they also have other meanings, deeper meanings. This is what I'm experimenting with in my music.
Blue water, green water, surely the most crystal.